Picture yourself in the 2020 Ford Mustang. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. There has never been a better time to get behind the wheel of the legendary Mustang. This sleek, mid-size, high-performance coupe delivers a personalized driving experience like no other. Driver-centered, beautifully styled, connected, crisp, fast, stable, and balanced. It's a pure expression of automotive adrenaline. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get behind the wheel of this Mustang and immerse yourself in the ultimate expression of driving freedom. Our knowledgeable staff will give you an outstanding test drive experience.